Welcome to Tech Solutions. In this video, I'll show you how to set up Localhost in Windows 11 using XAMPP, a simple free tool that lets you run PHP, MySQL, and even WordPress right on your computer. You don't need coding experience or special tools. Everything we'll do today is visual and beginner-friendly. Let's get started. First, we'll download XAMPP, the software that turns your computer into a local web server. Open your browser, head to the official Apache Friends website, and download the latest version of XAMPP for Windows. Once the file is ready, run the installer and follow the steps on screen. During installation, make sure Apache and MySQL are selected. You can skip the optional tools if you're not sure what they are. We'll only need the basics for now. After the installation finishes, launch the XAMPP control panel. You'll see a list of modules like Apache, MySQL, and a few others. Start the Apache and MySQL services. When they turn green, it means your local web server is up and running. Now let's test if everything works correctly. Open your browser and enter the command as shown on your screen. If you see the dashboard, congratulations, your localhost is active. Next, let's create our first local website. Open the main XAMPP directory on your computer, and inside it, you'll find a folder called htdocs. This is where all your local websites will live. Create a new folder here and name it something like Test Site. Inside that folder, create a new file called index.php. You'll write a short piece of code to test your setup. Just enter the command as shown on your screen. Save the file, then open your browser again and type the address shown on your screen to see it in action. If your message appears, your PHP environment is working perfectly. Now that localhost is running, you can use it for much more. For example, installing WordPress locally to build and test websites without needing internet hosting. To do that, download WordPress from its official site, extract it into your htdocs folder, and follow the setup wizard that appears when you visit the address shown on your screen. That's it. You've successfully set up localhost on Windows 11 using XAMPP. You can now build, test, and run websites directly on your computer, just like a live server. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit like, subscribe to TechSolutionZ, and drop a comment below about what you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching. And as always, tech made simple, only on Tech Solutions.